Yeah, let's start the game now. See, step one, and the step one, see, choose any three-digit number. Here, see, here is one condition. Any you can choose any three-digit number from 100 to 999, except 100 means 100 and 101 and 110. Except these three numbers, you can select any three-digit number. Why? Because this game doesn't apply to these three numbers. Okay, so you can choose any number. So for example, I'm taking 497. 497. Step 2. See, arrange the digits in descending and ascending order. Means whatever we have chosen the number, that number let us arrange in descending order or ascending order of their digits. Means let us arrange in a descending order now. I think about 971. Descending order means what? From big to small. What is the meaning of ascending order? From small to big. I think you might know about here. Descending order means from big to small, and ascending order means from small to big. Means first we need to write in descending order. First we need to write big digit, and later next digit, and later next small digit. But ascending order, first we need to write very smallest number. What is smallest number of 497? It is 4, and the next 7, and the next 9. So in the step one, we have chosen a three-digit number except 100 and 101 and 110. In the step two, we have arranged the number in descending order, ascending order of the digits now. Now let's see the step three. Find the difference of number in both orders. Find the difference of numbers in both orders. Means, however, we have got in step two, we have got the numbers in descending order and ascending order. Let us find the difference of them. See, once again I'm writing the descending order 974, and once again I'm writing ascending order, that is 479. Now let us subtract. By subtracting 479 from 974, we get 495. Okay, I think until it is clear now. Okay, we have completed three steps. Almost we have done. Let's go to the step 4. Now the reverse the digits of the result. And whatever we have got the result in step 3, just reverse. Reverse. Yeah, keep it in mind, it is not in ascending order, it is not descending order. Reverse the digits. Reverse means as it is having the three digit, so once digit, tenth digit, and 100 digit. Once the digit becomes 100 digit, and tenth digit will be remain same, and 100 digits will become once digit. That's it now. That's it. See, so the 495. This is the result in the step 3. So let us arrange in reverse order. What do you get? 594 for the point. Almost we have done. Almost. I don't want to waste your time. Last time, the last step is the step 5. See, now add both the results. Now add both the results. What's the result? In the step 3 result and the step 4 result, let us add the both. Have you understood? We are going to add the step 3 result and step 4 result. What we have got the step 3 result? 495, and step 4 result 594. 594 plus 495 is equal to, what do you get? 1089. Have you got any excitement now? I think you didn't get any excitement. Why? Because it is a game. But what is specialty? You would like to know that. Are you excited to know that? The specialty is you can take any three-digit number, you follow this step, all the 5 steps. Ultimate answer will be always 1089 only. 1089. You won't get any other number. Step 1, you choose any three-digit number except 100, 101, 110. And step 2, what do you do? Arrange the number in descending order, ascending order of their digits. And step 3, find the difference of the number both orders. And step 4, whatever we have got the result in step 3, just reverse the digits. In step 5, the result of step 3 just add with the result of step 4, then you will get 1089. You can take any number of three digits. Surely you will get 1089 now. Do you have still doubts? Let's go with another problem now. Another example, then you will get a complete idea whether it is possible or not. Okay. See, step one, choose any three-digit number. I already told you except 100, 110, and 101. Okay. So now I am taking, let us take between 900 to 1000. Let us take 958. Right. 958 I am taking. 958. It is a three-digit number. Now the step two. The step two is arrange the digits in descending and ascending order. Descending and ascending order. Let us arrange the digits now. So the descending order is nothing but 958 means first we need to write the biggest digit. Yeah, almost we know that the biggest digit is 9. 9, and the next digit after 9 is 8, and the 5 from big to small. And let us write in ascending order. The ascending order means just reverse the descending order. Simple. Okay, small to big. Then what do you get here? 589. Got the point? Step 2, we have arranged in descending and ascending order. And the next, the step 3, what do you do? That's find the difference of the numbers in both orders now. So descending order and ascending order. In descending order, we have done that 985 and 589. Let us subtract this both. By taking carry forward as the 5 we cannot, so as 9 we cannot subtract 5. So 5 here will be 15, means we get here 6. From 15 by subtracting 9 is 6. Here will be remain same. Sorry, 7 will be there, and again take carry forward. And 17 minus 8, by subtracting 8 from 17 we get 9, and here will be 8. Then now from 8 minus 5, now 3. The answer is 396. What is the next step? Next step, let us follow that. Step 4. Step 4, see, now the reverse the digits of results. Now the reverse the digits of the result now. Means we have got here 396. Here I'm writing here. 396 we have got the result. So let's reverse the digits. Now we get here 693. And in the step 5, you might know that. Let us add this both. Result in step 3, result in step 4. Now add the both the results. Let us add. Now we get that 693 and 396. Almost you understood about the result. 3 plus 6, 9, and 9 plus 9, 18, and 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. How about same answer? 1089. You can take any number. You can take any number except 100, 110, and 101. You can take any number. Surely, by following these 5 steps, you'll get the same number, 1,800, sorry, 89. I think you are excited. Okay. I thought there are many games in our Brain Motion Institute. So please subscribe our channel and please like it and please share it. Okay. If you have any doubts, I already told you my number. You can send any message, any doubt in the WhatsApp 7989804600. Okay. So you can also try with the following numbers. You can also try. So I'm going to give the two numbers here, 874 and 649. By using these two numbers, and you can follow the 5 steps, those 5 steps, and surely you will get 1089. Got the point? And see, after this, please type in your answers in the comment. Don't forget to write your answer in the comment box now. Now, see, thank you for watching this video lesson, and subscribe and like and share. Okay. And thank you very much, your Mohammed Naresh Reddy.